Morning student, today we start a new topic, reciprocal of rational number. So as you studied in standard 7 also, sorry 6 also, how to write the reciprocal of fraction. We simply change the order of numerator and denominator. Okay, so you can see here that reciprocal of minus 2 by 37 is minus 37 by 2. So here is one mistake, is that there is no minus sign here. It is minus 5 by 2 is minus 2 by 5. So like this we have to go, and it is written here. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. Okay, means that when you multiply reciprocal, means a number with its reciprocal, suppose b is the reciprocal of a, then we get 1. The reciprocal of the non-zero rational number is p by if suppose p by q is a rational number, then its reciprocal is q by p. So some question is given here. I have solved in the page for you. So let's start. So here you see the reciprocal of minus 7 by 11 is 11 by minus 7 equals to minus. So you can see here that I have done it. It is become minus 11 by 7 because it is not in standard form. Okay, it is not in standard form. Reciprocal of m by n is n by m. Reciprocal of 32 is 1 by 32. Why? Because if there is no any denominator, then denominator is 1. So that's why it becomes 1 by 32. Reciprocal of 0.2. So we can write this decimal as a fraction as 2 by 10. Okay, then if we write 2 by 10, the reciprocal of 2 by 10 is 10 by 2. So like this you can go. Now from let's we go some rule, something fact we have to understand, we have to keep in our mind that 1 plus minus 1 are the only rational numbers which have their own reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself, and minus 1 is minus 1 itself. Okay, the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 and 1 is 1. The 0 has no reciprocal. Why? Because 0 multiplied by any rational number gives 0. Okay, if you multiply 0 with any number, we get 0 itself. So every other rational number has a reciprocal. Okay, other than 0, every rational number has reciprocal. And also in fraction, or as it is in fraction, rational number also by division by divided by 0, we get our answer. We get the quotient is undefined. Okay, not defined. So let us start exercise 3.4. So the reciprocal of 17 we have to write. Let's start. Reciprocal of 17 equals to 1 by 17. Okay, this one again we write. Reciprocal of 3 by minus 13 equals to minus 13 by 3. So you can go like this further, you can move ahead. So here also, first of all you have to multiply this. Okay, then you have to add the reciprocal here. So when you multiplied, what you get? 6 into 3, 2 into 11, 3 2 and 2, 2 3 6. Now none we are about to cancel. 2 3 9 by 11. So you write here reciprocal of 9 by 11 equals to 11 by 9. And here also reciprocal of 0 by 5 equals to 5 by 0, which is not defined. Why? Because when a number is divided by 0, the answer is not defined. So like this you have to go ahead. You have to solve all question of one number of exercise 3.4. Let's we move to question number 2. Today we discuss question number 1, question number 2, and here question number 9, question number 10, 11 and 12. So let's go with question number 2. Question number 2, we have to simplify this one. We have to simplify this. We have to divide or multiply. Sorry, in this question only division we have to do. So let's we start this exercise. Question number 2 here. Exercise this. The first question I have chosen that 2 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 7. So how we go? 2 by 5 multiplied by division, we change division to multiplication, and this we have to multiply by the reciprocal of minus 3 by 7, that is minus 7 by 3. So which first we see that we have to multiply like this, sorry, minus 7 by 5 into 3. First of all we see that whether any number cancel each other. No. Then you have to multiply minus 14 by 15. This is our answer. Here this question minus 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8. So how we go? Simple. We have to add minus 3 by 8 multiply by 8 by 1. Okay, we have to multiply. When division change to multiplication, then divisor means the last second rational number change to its reciprocal. Change with reciprocal. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. How much we get? Minus 3 into 1, 1 into 1, that is minus 3 only. Here again we get some question minus 105 by 11 multiplied by 121 by minus 15. First of all we cancel minus minus. Sorry, 105 into 212 by 11 into 50. When you go with table of 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 7, 11 1 ja 11, 11 ja. Okay, when you divide 11 11 ja, how you get? You can see 11 1 ja 11, 1 is left, then again once come down become 11 11 11 ja. Okay, that's why I write 11 11 ja. So what we get here? 11 into 7, because 1 into 1, that is 77 by 1, that is 77 itself only. Now we go with question number 9. First question, you have to solve all the question of question number 2 by yourself. Now we go with question number 9. What problem we do in next session? Okay, next class, next video. So let's we do. We have to take here LCM. As you know, if the second one is a multiple of first one, then the multiple is become the LCM here. 15 is a multiple here. Yes, so LCM 13 minus 5 3 is 15, 2 3 is 9 divided sign. So here it is 15. Okay, so when you check the question is here 13 by 15 minus 3 by 5 divided by 13 by 15 plus 3 by 5. So I have left one here. So again the LCM is 15 here, and likewise only 13 plus 9, 3 is 9. So let's go ahead and move ahead here. How much we get? 13 minus 9, it is 4. 4 by 15 divided by, and when you add these two, how much we get? 22 by 15. So let's go move ahead. 4 by 15 multiplied by 15 by 22. 15 15 ja, we cancel each other. Then here 2 2 ja, here 11 ja. 2 into 1 by 1 into 11, that is 2 by 11. So this is the method that how we solve the question. So now see the question number 10. Question number 10 is reciprocal of 10 by 2 is 2 by 0. It is true or false? So it is true, but it is not defined. Okay, so if you see that 0 by 2 is 2 by 0, reciprocal, if you see, it is true, but it is not true because its reciprocal become the not defined. Okay, the reciprocal of 1 is -1. No, it is also not true. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. If m and n equals to 1, m and n are reciprocals of each other. Yes, it is true. If you multiply a number with its reciprocal, then we get the product as 1. The reciprocal of positive rational number is negative. It is not true. So like this you have to go. And one more thing I have like discussed, that the symbol of reciprocal. Okay, symbol, how we represent reciprocal of 3. So how I write 3 power is -1. Okay, we discuss in this book only. We discuss about study about power. 3 raised to power -1 equals to 1. But means reciprocal of 3 is 3 minus the power of 3 is -1. If you write power of any numbers powered -1, then it say that we have to find the reciprocal of that number. Okay, reciprocal of here -2 by 5 raised to power -1. How much it is written, that 5 by -2. Reciprocal of -2 by 5 is 5 by -2, and then we change the sign. Why? Because there is no negative number in denominator. It is not in the standard form. So -5 by 2. So like this you have to write. Okay, 11 number and 12 number you do by yourself. I give the hints only for 11 number. How many 2 by 3 are there in 6? How many 2 by 3 in there in 6? So you divide 6 by 2 by 3. Okay, then you get the answer. So it is your homework to do 1, 2, 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 12 also. That's all for today.